Hi guys, one of the, or I can say biggest mistake which every CA inter and CA final students commits always in every exam is ignoring ICI mock test series. Listen to this video till the end. I'm going to give you an important insight about this test series revision exams mock test. Now, see, like first, as a sample, right now I'm doing this video as on 30th November 2022. I'll just show you for your idea. Very recently, for November 2022, before ICA has conducted mock test exam for series 1 from 27th September till 8th October. They have conducted mock test exam for final and intermediate, where you can go to the regional branch office. Suppose if you are residing in a city like Chennai, Kolkata or Mumbai, you are having divisional office. Like in your city, main chapter office, nothing but there you can go and sit and write. Same timing 2 to 5. You have to pay some 50-100 rupees like that. Same way, if at all you are in other tier 2 cities, you are having chapter offices, right? So there you can go and pay and then write. Institute will give a schedule like this every time. Next time for May 2023, once the institute gives a schedule, we will give you a prior intimation. So on this YouTube channel for sure. So let's come back to the discussion. Actually, what's the purpose of this video? The biggest mistake everyone is ignoring ICAI mock test and running behind test series and revision exams of unauthorized test series institutions. Like, see, unauthorized means what? What do you mean by unauthorized according to me? Example, I'll show you one clear example. See, many of you might have gone through coaching from some faculty or some institution, or some of you might have done self preparation. When you're doing self preparation or went for coaching, there is a particular order in which the faculty teaches the class. Every faculty will have his own order of teaching the lectures. So one faculty starts with one chapter, another faculty starts with a different chapter. So your learning order is something which is different. And you are joining a test series and revision exams where they are conducting in a different order, something like some different order they are conducting. Now this is the order in which you learned, and the test series, whoever is conducting the test series or revision exams, they are testing in this order, where fundamentally your revision is something going wrong, in wrong direction. And one more thing, the testing your writing skills. See, there are two things. Why a student go and join for test series or revision exams? What is the main objective? Actually, because of test series, what every test series institution or tutor, what they claim is your writing speed increases. Your writing speed increases is one claim. Another claim which they make is it will impart like some sort of discipline in your preparation process. These are the two things which the many institutions claim. Main things. See, there are so many things, plenty of things which they claim, as if test series and revision exams will save you from your exam, like as if they'll give you all India rank. But it's not. What is most important to be successful in examination? Preparation is most important. Very recently I even made a video. When you're writing in exam, suddenly you're not able to continue. Suddenly your pen stops. The reason is, it's not because you don't have writing practice. It's not because you didn't write exam earlier. It's because you are unable to think. You are unable to apply the concept. You are unable to move forward. You're not getting that. You're unable to understand. This is the reason why you're unable to write in exam. Most of the students, if you're listening to this video now, right? Earlier you have given examination, right? Some question in some exam, some subject, you started and suddenly you stopped. I didn't observe this adjustment. I thought something else and here it is something else. Actually, I made a mistake. Now tell me, You are unable to write that question completely. Is it because you have not attended enough examinations? Not. What is the main reason behind that? Because you didn't study that concept properly. You know what happens in test series and revision examinations? They'll give you a schedule, some 12 weeks, 14 weeks, 16 weeks, or I see. So I mean, like nowadays I'm saying daily test, once in 2 days test, once in 3 days test. What? See, examination must be to test our learning process. It is not a way to learn. By writing exam, you don't learn anything. First of all, understand whatever you learn to test that you'll write an exam. And remember, learning plus testing, both are definitely needed. But which should be given more priority? Learning should be given more priority. Testing is no doubt required, but it is required occasionally. It should not be part of your daily routine. It should not be part of your daily routine. People claim if you write more number of exams here, you will write much more comfortably in the final exam. Remember, you will write comfortably in final examination only if you study thoroughly. Whether you attend a test series or not, personal, I'm telling you, I did not even write single exam before I attempt CA final. And yet I qualified my first group in my first attempt when I'm doing articleship. While in articleship, that I'm a self-preparation candidate. I never attended any test series, still I qualified. Many of my juniors have not attended. I think some of you watching this video, you might have not attended. I'll tell you one more thing. Many students who ever pay for test series and revision exams, you know how many exams seriously they'll write? Suppose they paid for 10 examinations process. They hardly attempt 2 or 3 examinations with serious preparation. Later, they leave it. Why they're leaving it, you know? Their learning flow is something different from this test series. I understand. Some test series centers, what they're claiming is, you select the chapter, we will test. This type of products, never believe. Don't believe these types of product at all. Customer wise, a specific, like if at all an institution is saying we give you customized test series plan, never believe them. Can I tell you, in Sreshta, there are so many students who are asking chapter-wise classes. We never sell chapter-wise classes. There are some big institutes, so-called leading institutes, who are selling chapter-wise classes. But we never sell chapter-wise. You see our Sreshta application, you find hardly 20 courses. Only CA into subject-wise, regular and subscription, that's it. We never sell chapter-wise. Reason? Because there is a way to learn. If at all you're listening, if at all we start selling chapter wise, then you bought in our accounting subject 5th chapter class. What happens, Actually, when we are teaching 5th chapter, we make the student ready by teaching 4 chapters and then make him understand 5th chapter so easily. If you straight away come and buy 5th chapter, you will understand, but you will not get that absolute command. Test series is also like that. If at all somebody is giving you customized plan, or if at all you are going with some popular test series, no, don't go behind them. You write test series, one exam in a month, 1 month, 1 exam. That's enough. Have 1 month preparation. At the end of the month, keep an exam for yourself. Do group study. Remember, attending study hours, attending study halls for the sake of getting study environment is absolutely good. I'm not denying the concept of study hours. What I'm denying is, what I'm not agreeing to it is revision exams and test series. This is very dangerous. And the precious element, most precious thing is icai mock test series, which majority of the students are ignoring. What icai mock test series, I showed you, right, the dates, example for November 22. On these dates at regional branches and chapter offices, they will conduct physical examination. They will evaluate and give you the answer sheet. And the evaluation is done by members. Many test series, they say members are evaluating, like CS will evaluate, but it's not. They pay 10 rupees per paper or 5 rupees per paper and they evaluate. Tell me, 5 rupees, 10 rupees evaluation. ICI will pay 100 rupees or 150 rupees per paper evaluation. Whereas test series center, they'll pay hardly 5 rupees, 10 rupees. Tell me, if I get 5 rupee, 10 rupee, and I have to evaluate the paper for half an hour, Why will I evaluate for 10, 15, 20, 30 rupees? Imagine. That's why when somebody says pay 5,000, we will conduct 15 tests or 17 tests or 20 tests, never believe them. Never believe them. Because the quality of valuation is going to be substandard, and moreover, your order of learning is different from the order in which they conduct a test series. And frequently writing examination, immediately, suppose target one exam is there, that syllabus is there, you somehow prepare hurry barili, and see, very simple. Student 1 takes 10 hours for chapter 1. Student 5 takes 5 hours only for chapter 1. Student 15 will take 15 hours for chapter 1. Because one subject, one chapter may be favorite for you. For another student, it is not favorite. For you, it is highly commendable. For you, it is very easy. For another one, it is not easy. Who is, test series centers, what they're doing? According to their idea, according to their, calculations, for examination 1, 4 subjects, each subject, these are the target chapters they'll give you without any proper basis. Even if they do calculation with some proper basis, that basis may not be suitable for you. Because you may take more number of hours for those chapters. Somebody may take very less number of hours for those chapters, that portion. Now tell me, let me talk about the student who take more number of hours for that portion. What happens? Target 1. Test series center has fixed some syllabus for examination 1, thinking that it will take 20 hours preparation time, and you are taking 40 hours preparation. You take 40 hours. What happens? You study 50 to 60% syllabus and attend the examination. And you think that, okay, after writing exam, you will prepare the rest. But what happens, immediately you have target number 2, examination 2. Second exam is going to come in the next week. Immediately you ignore this and give priority to that. In every exam, unknowingly, you're leaving so much of content. And because of this, by 4 or 5 exams, you are getting demotivated like anything. And suddenly changing your plan. You're leaving that entire exam and then coming and again starting your own preparation, self-preparation. Tell me, why are you wasting time like this? I'm telling you, ask your seniors. Don't believe my words. Don't believe anybody. Ask your seniors. Take 15-20 seniors help. Take feedback of 15-20 people. How many? Don't ask them, have you attended test series? No, that is not the question. Ask them, have you finished all the test series examinations or attended only 3 or 4 examinations out of entire package? Suppose they joined for 10 exams or 15 exams. Did they attended till the 15th exam? Did they follow the exact preparation methodology? Did they follow exact, order of lectures, all that, or order of chapters, all that? Ask them productive questions. Don't ask anybody, have you attended test series? No. This is what I tell to our students also. Whoever is looking for classes, for enrolling on Shrestha, don't ask somebody, have you attended classes at Shrestha? No, don't ask. Ask them, are the classes are good? Are you able to watch continuously? Are you able to complete the syllabus within time? These are the questions you should ask. Productive questions you should ask. Don't ask Shumma namesake, have you attended test series? Yes, then I will also. No, that is not. Ask them how far the test series helped them, how far the revision exams helped them. 90% of the students, I'm telling you, confidently I'm telling you, 12 exams they will pay for test series. Out of 12, only 3 they will attend. And that too, these 3 they will attend because they think they can attend. At the end of 3rd exam, they'll realize many chapters they're ignoring in every exam, and they're running behind. They are unable to cope up with the target. It's not test series, they are unable to cope up the target. It's not fault with them. It's the order in which test series is being conducted. They conduct the examinations as per some suggested order by their own faculty. You attended classes at some other faculty, or you did preparation on your own, or even if you do follow the same faculty, your choice of chapters, the chapters which are difficult for you, the chapters which are easy for you, the chapters which are medium for you may not be same. So please be careful. Why I'm insisting so much on this is people are ignoring actual learning process. People are trying to find shortcuts which are actually long, which are actually very lengthy, which are actually very difficult. You are thinking it's shortcut, you are thinking it's useful technique, you are thinking it's useful tip, but not. preparing directly from the study material or some other material which is equivalent to ICS study material standard. If you prepare from that 100%, at least 70% chapters, if you prepare 100% each chapter, I am telling you 50 plus in that subject is damn easy. Listen to this from the beginning once again. If at all you directly scroll to the end of the video, you'll understand. At the end of this video, I'll attach few more videos why I don't recommend a test series. All that I'll attach few more videos. Getting it? Take care. All the best. So take decision carefully. And next May 2023, ICI will announce mock test dates. At that time, we will come up with March or April month. They'll conduct mock test physically. Plan for that if possible. Don't join unnecessarily test series exams and waste your money. It's absolutely waste of money. Join for study hours. If at all some institution is conducting organized study hours, join for that. That I never, that I always support, because you need a study environment for sure. A peaceful environment, a disciplined environment is definitely needed. There are plenty of study halls available in the market. So join there, no problem at all. Getting it? You must need a study environment. For that, you can join crowd study. Sitting in a crowd and studying is always peaceful, always, a good atmosphere. If possible, plan group studies. Find people similar to your attitude, or find people who are having same level of desire like you, and form a group, exchange ideas, do preparation, combine studies. That will help you a lot. That will motivate each of you a lot. So take care. All the best. Bye.